In 2003, Alan Sabberton, owner of Sabina Marine in Wroxham, Norfolk, completed an extraordinary 5-year project that would blur the lines between maritime craft and automotive engineering. The Sabberton Omen emerged not from a car factory or established design studio, but from the workshop of a boat builder who dared to apply his marine expertise to the road. The construction process reflected Sabberton's background. A tubular spaceframe chassis, built from 75mm by 50mm steel tubes, provided the foundation. Over this skeleton, Sabberton sculpted a one-piece fiberglass body, similar to a boat hull, before cutting openings for doors, wheels, and bonnet. This boat-building approach created the Omen's most striking feature: fully enclosed wheels integrated into the bodywork. The dimensions were extreme. At nearly 18 feet long and 8 feet wide, the Omen housed only 2 seats within its massive proportions. The enclosed front wheels had to pivot within the wide bodywork, necessitating the car's immense width and creating an unusually spacious front trunk. Drawing inspiration from Group C racing cars of the 1980s and 1990s, particularly Mercedes endurance racers, the design carried a futuristic aesthetic that made it resemble a spacecraft more than a conventional automobile. Mechanical components came from various sources. Jaguar XJ6 suspension underpinned the car, while a 4.7-liter carburetor-fed Chevrolet V8 engine provided power. Details throughout revealed Sabberton's resourcefulness: a Citroën AX windshield, Jaguar saloon side windows, bespoke polycarbonate rear window, and a Ford Orion instrument cluster. The interior combined wood and leather, reflecting marine craftsmanship. The Omen appeared on British roads as recently as 2020, but its current location remains unknown. Only one example exists, a testament to individual vision, craftsmanship, and the audacity to build something completely original without corporate backing.